Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to capture Delta Force on OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Now, here's an important note before we continue. Make sure Delta Force is already open and running on your PC. This is necessary for OBS to detect the game properly, so go ahead and launch Delta Force first if you haven't already. Once OBS is open, navigate to the Scenes section and click the plus icon. Type in a name for your scene, for example, Delta Force. Then click OK. Now, in the bottom left corner of your screen, navigate to the Sources section. Click the plus icon there, and from the list that appears, select Game Capture. A new window will pop up, so just click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see an option called Mode. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Capture Specific Window. This setting allows OBS to focus specifically on your Delta Force game window rather than capturing your entire screen, which gives you better performance and cleaner recordings. Now, I should mention that I don't have Delta Force installed on my PC, but I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Below the Mode option, navigate to Window. Click the drop-down menu right beside it, and you'll see Delta Force listed there. Simply select it from the list. Since I don't have Delta Force installed, I'll use Valorant as an example to show you how this selection works. After you've selected Delta Force from the drop-down, click OK. This will add the game capture to your scene, and you should now see your game displayed in the OBS preview window. Finally, to make sure your game fits perfectly on the screen, right-click on the game capture source you just added. Hover your mouse over Transform, and from the menu that appears, select Fit to Screen. This will automatically resize your game capture to match your canvas size, ensuring everything looks clean and properly framed. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Delta Force to be captured in OBS Studio, and you're ready to start recording or streaming your gameplay. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.